How to create a wish list on Amazon. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll simply guide you on how you can create a wish list on Amazon, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to create a wish list on Amazon, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all launch the Amazon application. You're going to see this type of interface where you need to just come to this little account profile icon from the bottom of the screen. After you come to this, over here you'll find your list. Tap on your list. Once you tap on your list option, here you'll be able to see all the lists that you've created. If you want to create a custom wish list, tap the create a list option from the top right. Just give it a name. It could be a wish list or it could be any of the lists that you prefer. So just go ahead and then make sure to give it a name depending upon what you want to create. Once you've done this, tap on create list option and your wish list will be successfully created. Now another thing you can do is whenever you're browsing through the products, let's say you want to add the product to your wish list. Once you're inside the product page, what you want to do is you'll find the add to list option. Tap on add to list, just select the list that you created and then just add the product inside of that list over here and they'll be successfully added. This way you can create a wish list on Amazon. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.